Привет, my dear Gemeins! I'm sorry that I wasn't active for a few weeks. I hope that you are doing very well. Unfortunately, the summer is over, but today we're going to discuss what you usually do in summer. So you will learn how to tell about your usual summer, you will learn some new verbs and phrases, and do some practical tasks at the end. So there are a lot of interesting things in this lesson. Stay with me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, like this video, and let's start. Лето, summer. Лето, лето. If you need to say in summer, the form летом is used. Лето goes in the instrumental case here. We haven't learned it yet, but I'm going to tell you about this case in the next lesson. Right now, just remember that if you need to say in summer in Russian, it is летом, without prepositions but with a different ending. First of all, let's remember the verbs that you already know. If you don't remember them, rewatch my video lessons to refresh your knowledge. The links to these videos you will find in the description below. How would you say to walk? The correct answer, гулять. How would you say to listen to music? The correct answer, слушать музыку. How would you say to read? The correct answer, читать. How would you say to travel? The correct answer, путешествовать. Now let's learn some new verbs. Number 1. Кататься на велосипеде. To ride a bicycle. Кататься на велосипеде. To ride a bicycle. Велосипед. A bicycle. In this phrase, this word goes in the prepositional case. That is new for some of you. We're going to discuss this case soon. Number 2. Плавать. To swim. Number 3. Бегать. To run or go jogging. Number 4. Ходить на пикник. To go for a picnic. Number 5. Собирать ягоды, грибы. To gather berries or mushrooms. Number 6. Загарать. To sunbathe. Number 7. Есть мороженое. To eat ice cream. Exercise 1. Pause the video and translate the sentences into Russian. Check yourself. Number 1. Я плаваю летом. I swim in summer. Number 2. Я бегаю летом. I go jogging in summer. Number 3. Я собираю ягоды и грибы летом. I gather berries and mushrooms in summer. Number 4. Я загораю летом. I sunbathe in summer. We haven't discussed yet how verbs having ся at the end conjugate. Right now remember that in the first person singular, the verb кататься has the form катаюсь. Я катаюсь. Я катаюсь на велосипеде летом. I ride a bicycle in summer. The verb ходить has the form хожу in the first person singular in the present simple. Remember it. Я хожу на пикник летом. I go for a picnic in summer. The verb есть has the form ем in the first person singular, in the present simple. Я ем мороженое летом. I eat ice cream in summer. Exercise 2. I'm going to show you 7 videos. Some of these videos don't match their captions. You need to understand which videos don't match their captions and correct them. For example, in this video, I read in summer. I don't walk. So this caption is wrong. The correct caption is Я читаю летом. Now let's start. Number 1. Я загораю летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я бегаю летом. Number 2. Я слушаю музыку летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я плаваю летом. Number 3. Я катаюсь на велосипеде летом. Is it correct? Yes, it is. Я катаюсь на велосипеде летом. Number 4. Я собираю ягоды летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я хожу на пикник летом. Number 5. Я читаю летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я загораю летом. Number 6. Я плаваю летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я путешествую летом. Number 7. Я гуляю летом. Is it correct? No. The correct caption is Я ем мороженое летом. Exercise 3. Что вы делаете летом? What do you do in summer? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new videos. Пока!